Welcome, in front of me is REALME GT3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't get the right PIN code to access your device. So first of all, make sure that you're not mistaking your own personal PIN code that you set up for yourself with the SIM card PIN code, because those two are oftenly mistaken for each other. And if you're sure that you're trying to enter the right PIN code, then you can also press the power key with the volume up button and select restart in order to reboot your device, and this way try to enter the PIN code once again after the phone reboots. And if this doesn't help, then take your time and try to remember the PIN code that you entered the last time that worked for you, because this might save you a lot of time and work in the future, and also help you save your personal files, data on your device. Now, if you tried and this didn't help, then you can contact the REALME customer support service, tell them about your issue, and in case you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your device without losing any data. So this is also a good option if you have the ownership proof for the REALME customer support service. Now, if this isn't an option for you, then you can perform a factory reset operation. This will remove all data from your device, but it will for sure let you regain the access to it once you've done that. So the first way is, if it's available, is to perform the factory reset locally. It's available if you have the Google account installed on your device. So if you do and you didn't disable the Find My Device feature manually on your phone, then you can access the Find Hub service on Google using any of your other devices. Then log into this website using your Google account that is connected to this smartphone. Select this device on the list and select Factory Reset in order to erase all data from your device, and once the data is erased, you'll be able to set up your device anew. Now, if you can't use this option either, then the last option is to perform the factory reset operation locally. You can do this through the recovery mode on your device, and if you don't know how to access the recovery mode, or if you need some help on your way, we have an entire video explaining how to perform a factory reset operation on this smartphone using a recovery mode. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.